Amasain si baile vekule.
Ole hey, tun kum chu kan basketball court a Christmas tree lian ve deuh. Kan da do ne kan tia hei kan pain tute an hoi khom do na chuanin Christmas tree konga tanga lang thei ve lian ve deuh fit so pani kan han da do na a base kan lei so alo in mil chi alo chu wang chuanin kan han phua chop do na ning tin tak mo kan ti do ni aleng lowa i lo in mil lowa chu wang chuanin kan chana chong kan phuar khom te ngai don ni tu te omlai ni bok hei weekend an lo kala kan han ti ho dal dalange hei hi kan Christmas tree pona kan da tu chu ni ya hei ka dining room hi la nok group maya kan la chei zo lo hei heng te hi a chen chu khi kan chei zo to
Do we have gloves
yes
for the boys?
okay, I'll get gloves. Hi baby, you're gonna help Amy?
Yeah.
There's some things we need.
All right. Hey, kan la nok rem reman ya. Christmas decoration. Kan la siam zela. Okay, Buite. Lassie, pick up these. What it says B. Okay, Rooney, put your jacket on.
Oh, I got my drone.
Buite, look, you see that?
Guys, I got my drone.
Kan tu palar sa hi. Afel ema. Alian ber ani boka. Til minti sakro ti reng hianin englai ma hianin ahia ngai lawa hei tu na po. Min han chan
Okay.
pui don ani hi.
Might go outside?
You don't have shoes on.
Yeah. But yeah.
Okay.
I go outside.
I know you're outside now.
Yeah.
Let me see you. Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.
Oh, so good. Okay, Rooney. There's a cord right here that we need a connection to from the garage. You see there in the green container. Kanin po an chei zo trap hey. Christmas la hian chuan nuam ve mai maya ti hian kan han chei ve he ta kan thinga te khwanin lai kan han da a. Hi baby.
Amazing Christmas.
I know.
Yeah. Yes. The bill is green Christmas. The bill is Christmas. We need the bill. The
Okay. You're probably stronger than Papa, but yan kan Christmas tree tai kan tumani hi hey.
Let's see if we can lift it.
yeah, short,
Short,
and
yeah. Oh, yeah, you did it.
Yeah. The way I'm doing it isn't working. Like this rope is too slippery. I'm gonna try to.
Put some buck low ni.
Top of it's gonna go into the little basketball.
Will it?
Yeah, it's gonna go inside, right?
Kasayang kan Christmas tree stand hi kan lei fu chia lawa a in mil lawa wang hianin phua chop deuh hlek angai ni.
Oh,
wait,
you know what? That's not really white rocks. That's paint. Someone spilled paint on my driveway, and it's all white.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
What do you think?
I like Christmas.
You like Christmas?
Yeah.
Say Christmas.
Christmas.
Ano am luto?
I look good.
Oh.
Yeah, it's amazing Christmas.
Fun.
Okay, I will make a biggest. A biggest. The building, biggest tree ever. So we need to build that with a tree.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah. see the giant tree. Oh, you almost got. Is it finished? Is it finished?
Kan trang boka.
Is it finished?
Not yet. Go help Lars. Go help Lars. Go next to Lars and hold the Christmas tree, baby.
What's that? Fluff it down. Fluff it down.
The branches.
I'm holding it.
You're holding this.
Holding it.
Holding it. Okay, I will put that there.
Especially the bottom. You know that, right?
Well, there's the least in the bottom.
No.
Yeah, I see. It's like down here.
Zana chuan nal veang nakina zana landan gan ran tilang ang. Okay, I'm sure you'll find it.
Okay.
If not, then
Oh, is that it?
Look.
What's that hanging right there?
we flop it and it will look more full, you know? See, these are... Don't take the back. Go from there.
It doesn't look bad at all, huh?
We made the biggest tree ever. A Christmas tree.
Yeah!
I think we did good.
It's standing, and that's all that matters.
Oh,
Considering the circumstances.
Yeah.
Yeah, you did it good, baby. You are
Ooh.
awesome, my Lars.
Especially when it came to moving this
Uh-huh.
rock.
is it finished?
Oh my gosh,
Not
that rock.
quite yet, baby.
All I know is that's been there for as long as I can. That
Yep.
rock.
As long as you
Look,
remember.
the Christmas
Yeah.
tree is so high.
From the first time you came here, that rock was here.
We got more light. We got more light.
You want to put more light? Ngặt trần véo tụi e. Yeah, you need more on the right hand side, honey.
What do you mean?
You see where right there? Yeah.
The only way you could reach the top is if you have the steps to it.
Okay, but I think it's good enough. The top.
Yeah. Well, for now.
Yeah. Kan zo trepe. Hey, pu berpon thanem ngai takin light anda chara kan Christmas tree hi light lo amsa niya mai ro chu light tamzok kan da du wangin kan handa belani kan light chen khat kan la ti zo lo boka hey kan la da
I
zele
made the Christmas.
aha
I made the Christmas.
all right, we're gonna do the decoration. You want to put this big ball right here?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to hang it?
Yeah,
Come,
we
help Annie.
Okay.
Here,
Hold it.
and put it right here. Yeah. How about this one, the silver? Okay, you wanna help Emmy? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll put it right here. This
Look, you can
red
see me.
one.
Yeah, I like the red.
You need to go get scissors.
Blue.
You like the blue one? Okay, we're gonna put it up here. Let me cut this. We're gonna tie it and
Tie it. Tie.
Okay, where should we put this? Should we put it on right here?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, there. The silver ones we're gonna put right here. Okay, where do you think we should put it? Right here? All right.
We need to get a different colors from inside. That's so pretty. All right. And I'll put this here. Here. Okay. Wow.
Wow.
Oh wow.
What do I think? I forgot how to do it. I just do it on cold like a robot now.
Okay, we home Christmas.
Yeah, Papa's still working on it, baby.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Are we there yet?
Not yet.
Here,
Are
we're
we
gonna
there
have a
yet?
Fire. Here, hold this.
Oh, this?
Uh-huh.
We having a bird.
Woo, we're having a fire.
Yeah.
Fire's burning.
Ole khati zong kha tu na tan chuan lo ni le ri phot se ka channel te min lo thir sak ze lawangin
Okay.
kalom em. Thank you so much and God bless.